Hey you guys, what is up and welcome back to the channel. My name is Kayla Jukic if you are new here, and if you are not, welcome back. As you can tell, I am in a different place. I am no longer in the Maldives. This morning we flew back to Dubai and we are now at the Dukes the Palm Hotel. I'm going to show you guys it in a second because our room is absolutely stunning. But basically it is Wednesday, September 7th and we are heading back to Toronto on Saturday. So we're going to be here for another 2.5 days, and I'm honestly so glad to be back in Dubai because it's probably one of my favorite places. Like, we had so much fun the first 3 days we were here before the Maldives, so I am glad to be back. Right now it's like, what time is it? It's 3:30. We got here maybe like 3 hours ago, but we were kind of tired. We went and got Burger King at the airport before we got a taxi here. The taxi here from the airport was about 30 minutes. And then we've just been kind of hanging out in bed. Like, we are exhausted. We were up at 5:30 this morning. It's been a long day. We had a 4-hour flight, which was very bumpy. Like, very oddly bumpy. We were literally 40,000 feet in the air because the pilot came on and said that it's so rough and so much turbulence he's gonna go higher. So definitely very interesting. We are happy to be here and settled in. So let me show you the room. Okay, so this is the front door. So when you walk in, this is what you are seeing. This is the main room. There's one couch, 2 chairs. Then around this corner, you have a table with 2 chairs and you have the TV. You have this nice chandelier and this window, which I will show you the view in a second. But moving back here, so again, this is the front door. We have the first bathroom, which is so stunning. So everything is dark and black, has this LED like mirror thing. The sink is gorgeous. All the tiling is black. And then of course we have a toilet. Moving through the living room, also take a look at this. The TV literally addresses me. It says, "Dear Kayla Salenza," even though I'm a Jukic now, but legally my last name is still Salenza. I'm gonna change that when I get home, but basically it says like, "Thank you for coming here." It talks a little bit about the hotel and stuff, and it's from the general manager, so that's super cool. And then on this side, it tells you all of the things that are going on. So like afternoon tea or, you know, a pool party at this time on this day, etc. Now the view is like not the nicest. I really wish we had like a room over here because that's all of like the beach and the skyline. So we're just seeing, I think this is the same hotel or maybe it's the one beside, I'm not sure. And then there's just some paintings on the wall. And then if you move through this way, this is the main like bedroom or master bedroom. There's Alan. He took a shower and he's in his robe, but it is so pretty. It's a huge bed and has, I don't even know what these things are called, with 2 big mirrors on the side, another couch, another big window with that same view. And then we have another mirror, another table with like our telephone and coffee, water, that kind of stuff. Our TV. And then if you move this way, so I just walked in from here. If you move in this way, we got a lot going on here. There's a safe in here, a mini bar. These are 2 closets. And then when you go to the left, it is the main bathroom and it is massive. It looks exactly the same with the black tiles. It has a his and her bathroom sink and mirrors. And then it has the toilet in the corner and the shower bathtub. Like, this room is top notch. For 2 days, I believe it was like 350 or 400, I think closer to 400 Canadian. So I think it's worth it. So for now, you can see our luggage is still over there. We're honestly just chillaxing, but we're gonna just hang out tonight. I think we're for sure gonna go to Topgolf Dubai. In Canada, there's no Topgolf, and I guess it's because of the weather, because I'm pretty sure, if I'm correct, Topgolf is like outside or like partially outside. I don't know, never been, but they have one in Dubai and it's only 10 minutes from our hotel. So I think we're gonna go there. Alan booked a time slot for 5:45. So we have like about an hour and a half. We're kind of just gonna start getting ready and head out there. They have food and stuff. And obviously I'm gonna take you guys along, but I just wanted to show you like how dark I got. I don't know if you guys, my face I feel is a lot more white compared to my body. Like, my body is so dark. I got kind of burnt, so it's hard to tell if I'm still burnt or not. Like, you can see, that's just from yesterday. Like, when I tell you I was putting on so much sunscreen. But anyways, We bought more aloe at the Dubai airport before we left because I pretty much finished the whole bottle. Well, we both did. So we are gonna put this on because we're in Dubai. We need to be outside. I don't want to get too much into it, but I think we're gonna go to Atlantis one day. So we're definitely gonna be in the sun all day at the water park. So gotta make sure I'm not burnt for that. I'm just gonna literally lather it on everywhere and rub that shit in good. What is up, guys? It is a little bit later. It is 5:30 now and we just got to Top Golf Dubai. I told you guys a little bit earlier, we don't have it in Canada, so we wanted to come, and it is so hot out.
Yeah, it's like...
It's hot. He's like... What?
So it's a different type of heat, but...
Yeah, it is. So we just got here. We reserved our spot for 5:45. I can't remember if I said that or not. We got here a little bit early, so we're gonna go play some arcade games downstairs, but this place looks amazing already. I'm so excited. I'm gonna kick your butt in golf. Alrighty, doing a quick little voiceover for this because it was so loud, but basically this is the area. This is what it looked like. The skyline of Dubai was in the background and it was honestly amazing. We were on the third floor, which was the top floor, I believe, the highest floor that you could golf at. So basically this is what our little area looked like. We had this L-shaped sofa couch, we had our own clubs, we had TVs that we could look at. They brought us drinks right away. Honestly, service here was amazing. I got a sangria, my husband got a Corona. This is just a little preview of the food menu, and now I'm showing you the drink menu. There were so many options to choose from. Definitely worth it. A little bit expensive. In terms of pricing to play, the standard rate I believe was for 1 hour, but then you could pay extra to extend for another 30 minutes or so. 1 hour was good enough for us. We got some food, a margarita pizza, and it was freaking delicious. So stinking good. After our hour, we actually ended up going to the restaurant, which was downstairs, and we had some dessert. I had this strawberry cheesecake ice cream thing, and it was so good. Like, I want it again. I'm drooling. This is so good. Wow. What even is it? It's cheesecake, ice cream, strawberry sauce, graham crackers. 8 o'clock, we're done Topgolf, and we came to Nakheel Mall, which is in the Palm Jumeirah. It's literally right across the street from our hotel that we're staying in, so we figured we have nothing much else to do, so we came here. I don't know if you guys remember, in a couple of vlogs ago I told you that my ear was like plugged, and it's been bothering me a lot. Like, I honest to God think I have an earache, and now it's like making my throat sore, like just on the left side. It's so weird. So we stopped at a pharmacy and got me some eardrops, and we got me some spray for my throat, so I'm gonna put that on tonight and hopefully it's gonna make me feel better. The Lego here is actually insane. We've seen so much cool Lego stuff. Wow.
Look, 16,000 bricks.
What?
16,000 bricks, 127 hours.
Wow.
To make this guy. So now we're just wasting time.
Wasting time.
Well, actually, I want to get food.
We're not
I'm
wasting
hungry.
time. We're just not killing time either.
Yeah,
We're
but I'm
just like
hungry.
spending time.
I am hungry. I want to see a.
How are you hungry?
Babe, what did I have? 3 pieces of
We
pizza?
actually just
You had a full
ate-
Sunday.
Yeah, but you
Who
could
had
have
the
ate that
Sunday?
too.
Who had the Sunday? Kayla
Me.
down to fucking Sunday this big.
Why are you swearing? We actually have this fight all the time because he's always swearing on my vlog and I'm like, no. But we literally just ate at Top Golf. We had that pizza that you guys saw.
I had 3 pieces of pizza, guys.
3 pieces.
Mini pizza.
It wasn't mini, it was like a medium-sized pizza, I would say. And it was
That was
honestly
definitely a small pizza, but it was good as hell.
it was definitely bigger than that, but it was good as hell, as Al just said. I ate most of it. It was so good. Then I had that sundae, which was really good. And honestly, this mall is dead. Like, where's all the peoples? I guess because it's a Wednesday, but I guess maybe because people are back to school. Plus, it's also a weekday. I don't know. Oh my, I'm so tired. That was a fun day, very low-key and chill, but I'm exhausted. Just put some more aloe on and we are going to head to bed because we have a full day tomorrow. We have a full day Friday. Have no idea what we're going to do tomorrow yet, but as always, I will take you guys along for the journey. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Make sure to subscribe to me down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. I hope you guys are enjoying these honeymoon Dubai vlogs, and I will catch you in the next one. Good night.